Good morning, Mama Akaba Sonkombra Badwam Ahosepe Jumezedo na yeguda ye celebrate the legend Papa na wewu nanso no wejai hen echiri nyama bebre no yegudara ye celebrate no Charles Kojo Fosu aka Daddy Lumba obi be say Dada Lumba Dada Lumba oda da yeguda ye celebrate no Sunday ye hwe djuma soma wa ye we wuze nanso no nizin linchom da we wuze nanso no na djuma lenshow tino yere boma mo hwetei ye celebrate papa no na menyore kase de yenyu abre yerusun ye di esakakaka ye hu azi ye sister kwar ba ko bonu kuna menzie de ye abefie tino ya za wogigi contribution sisterhood what try you cha de yankasa mesiafo na kasa ze masa and then bibia wasa de yakaje no wa za Valday ye beje Mother's Day ye beje Father's Day cry ye sanaji happy birthday ye beje Christmas ye beje Easter ye beje and then funeral that Lumba the funeral cry ye reje into na our her sister na the sisterhood is proud of her our kohebra.
My love,
yes,
do you know that the Lumba is dead?
Who?
Daddy Lumba, you don't know him? We use his song on our wedding day. You don't know him? He is dead.
Oh, very sad.
And the thing is, everybody, they said we should contribute. So everybody is contributing £150 each person. Not everybody in Ghana, but no, not everybody in Ghana, but those of us who has used his song for our ceremony and other things, we will contribute some money to give to his family to say thank you, like to say something nice to the family. Yeah, message £150. So I'm telling you so that you send me £150 into my Revolut. Okay. Then I will send it to them.
With the message?
Yeah, with the message. So can you send me the money now?
Yes.
Okay. Stefan, thank you. Hey, you look consider my sister. Hey, you time will say. Hey, time will see you. Sister, can you contribute? Hey, time will so much scatter tam. The play tickets called the Baba Ghana, Baby, you know, sister. I don't know about J. Hey, Miss Afua, a different breed. Sister, move to Chamo. Hey, I had. Now, my back the book of condolence, no way, way, Marto. Do be a ambassador can sign. Now, on your by force, so there by sign. Pono, why baby and coffee to what Tom Prince say? I will best inquire the cum chacha quake. Igna, I will show cum. Shokumuna. Mama na bacha na asem. Book of condolence, mukopin. Book of condolence are yet to copy. Prophet Kum Chacha, the one and only, on his size, must be all into Muntin. Hey, Neo by force. One more top. The book of condolence, the crown. Why you know audio book of Mobia Pedro by force. Also for Palu to copy day. In heaven, also the my dear the heaven day. But still watch them. Mbroya ya to copy. May say na yembra.
But that's two chairman. Now, Ebane saying, book of condolence and I was sign up. Me say I say, oh, obi dia watch on na o copy.
Who say me do one na awerefo ahyemeso. I say Yesu tama wo do baby a Lazarus wono. Na awerefo ahye ne so. Eti John 11:35. Bible say Jesus sweat osunye yesu sunye
Jesus
sweet sweat osunye
and Jesus wept.
Sa na mpese me chere eti no na awreho ahyemema it on the book of Kodolus no
Kodolus, yeah.
On the buy and chinchina won say men chro eti me so na chro no aye problem ama me na ye senior. I
know they see am for so. I know they okwa na wo akotwo wan.
Obi enu for so no.
So obi am for so ba on say men
chlo. On come no kure. Yes obi an konkotwo.
O de ma menwie ana waka. Because o person opi am tom. Eti de wo mu say o ye say men chlo no. And a deputy minister.
Enya one obi en show.
O kwa akotwo. Me da senti na me kotwo. And a deputy minister, John
Jumaro.
Thank you, Obaye. To Obaye, Jawa Tro, need the way, no. And I'm so me copy Nidiano. And I'm a share Nidiano, and to me be a Nidianechi. Sadi Bia, I had to say the Enqualaya exams. No be a chiana con.
Because as I'm honey, I don't cry, no.
It me copy Nidiano. Etino me kurano ni din kurana me so me de cultural media eti me do baby na me cultural long life and on say onipa na wundi ense me cultural long life
na de o copy na de na nipa natural
na minua John de na wa cultural ni din na me hu ye
dia kan de we
dia kan de me hu nti me dia me cultural de wo cultural ye nyina at the gourmet so side. It is not me bia na my betro.
Oh, kum chacha.
Oh, there be kum chacha sudden.
Because the way I are now book of condolence.
Na why is it all? You put buncho is it? Was it a book who know book of condolence? Wazi. Why do you Ghana ho? E to mudo bia no said as na katin hoda by force on tro. Onimda papa no ntumuncho. Ko gunani ma so kwa. Na bro for casos the yan careful about for cause nipa bebre boko hell. Jesus wept saying. Jesus will pray him. Chokonkwe him fa. And so prophet ke butu makra yesu sin. Na nka yakoye na anyimo. Na so na eja jo ye baje na bro. Na ya basan yakọ Can I use a banzo so obo book of condolence na ase. Nso na pum ya menim no kwa menim mo kotro ezi. Mata ma ye hwe okọ no so ne batekere na nyasem kakra bo 20 yards. I wo hwe ai na embra. Jadi rumah apa? Ayo, kai. Waka sign. No wasa mara nyina Hey, no one today yeah. Na colors day. Well. Baby ofiba no. Obi wa adam na wayen. No, ye baje na abro, no so ye baje na abro da mara. Na ye hu de titirifu bebre akọ Lumba ni fie honom. Won mo nyi aye adwuma da, won ma wonyim no, won wonyim no obi a abasan akọ fie honom ekechia na ye etum assign. Na Qbeat a beat maker or Ghana hade, another maker de or a producer or a music producer or Ghana hade. When you now abasan akọ fie honom na ono oche de beat paazi oyaza why be am Lumba beat nkokoro savana nanka Lumba ne upcoming project bi an oreba bede na ezino dam 7 beat ni na wodo oya wakam how me yake take you beat na yembra
2020 akanye
Michael Jackson Tipeni that Lumba. And it's evident.
7 beats last 2 months. I just give him 7 beats. Yeah, everybody do work. I give him 7 beats. I don't know, the devil is a liar. I don't make her work with Lumba. Oh, but yes, RP. Yeah, I don't make her work. But the beat today, there's 7. I gave him 7 beats. You guys, we will crush. Give there's 7. I gave him 7 beats.
Okay, into no kill beats and then me a shop so you win a plan is a bay na ochina a plan is a bay in next year a plan is a bay in 2 years but in your idea be there the time no crowd we need you ho we sumasam to no to more than that loom or plans and ko bay nyebe bebre but nyeshi na champion na yankopa nyida de Lumba bekeya nka no nanka we Lumba brothers na senyara that Lumba ebo concert bi na ze celebrity ne nyom celebrity and oyero ya yankopon asana man nkofoforo no na numo crass no onye na champion san hie biom na o performance no onde da yehu na champion a share performance no chema na onyim de e by one last performance na ahwe da na wacho honum na oyare ho papa say little did I know this will be our last ever performance together Minia Charles Kojo Fosu the year oyare ho papa muhuni na me ya magi tissue oyare ho say performance no yes and enjoy no cry ati you enjoy one last performance no na yemra.
What is Sembiaba? I didn't know for the town. Woo! See a maso, no matter so am I. Monyeso. We are going to see. Yeah, God bless you. Who be the here? And you are because the media know it. Because soon you're several days here. Oh, be a super number.
But that's run upon on and come who you. As all you a Korean. Nimpano nen da na nyina nam ade be kye so no was we won kan hu biom nti no e no che da wo man no do ye hon because yenyim za ochina owom na mamontuedo na se motuedo a I think they on social media no ebe kono na nkofu bebre wo kire hon adwen fa senti pekwa wo de Lumba ide dey go man state barrier I mean the obesie no won kan hade another one can see no Kumasi and okay you know Kumasi and I worry you know one can confirm various reasons but and I might say MC portfolio neze and I think that be my team watch na see inti I would say no to MC portfolio na emra
Michael Jackson Tipeni that Lumba and it's evident I've said on some platforms on the breaking the rules of music algorithm share how obi free generation be nas one but 2 year generation nas no artist or person reinventing one just or tap into new generation but on no there a Gen Z no rather wants to invite him into their world and for someone who's transcended generations there ni following it movement a nation a army or be a cult or be a religion and of course I mean he's one of our biggest exports sebi mingo be an here where and you go to of his generation go test we will try go test of all time. So it's only right there. But then for some of us, my agenda me pushing is no one does it about funeral tourism, say Kutu, say Bamba and Ashanti region. And here was so people are calling for state barrier, I'm calling for a state assisted barrier. Because when you call for state barrier, it means the state takes full charge of everything, choosing their venue and everything. And it might affect baby I was here funeral, but I'm of the view that Lumba was very intentional about certain things. My mother, baby are free in Suta, planting it in his sons and all that. So it will be worth it that we hold the funeral at home grounds where we can really make it richer.
No, auto the beer your customer. Ni who does me day. Well thought of to the so customer. To know MC portfolio in Atasa. Watch it, but you know, to know 1.5 in my hand. Why no more bay 1 year my hand. Na Sisi Alan to queer walk we use yellow kufuno home. Hey, Ghana. Na Santa Funa ye, Momo ye in one can for say yes, ye bay ye state funa, ye hey, ready. How well? Or any petitu, to know, I shall not talk about the funeral. One cannot agree my hair now, you're quitting him. Now, since you are no tribute songs on Tuesday, my book room or Kudalensonism. May would a new baby be so I be crumb yogurts. Now, baby so why be rapping a come up, papa, beginning in higher power, beginning higher power. Ya catching one this year, no yada. Ya ba allow, but the Lumba no be able for my uncle say, you be a there be. Papa no you more why ye be high and you come out. It's now be a tribute song, be a make sure that you know, or a dope, and a man. Yeah, accept. So when you can say, the Mukofe be any one than I accept the tribute songs, your come on. So I would say, come you got no horrible face. Say, we are the take Kunaka.
That's where Daddy Lumba, a man signed Daddy Lumba. Officially, and I want to film not a trap when I'm a debumpa. Bangers, the new Bunulunka. Once I say Bunulunka. Beman and the Tikosova Bali, this man, a man, a pair to Nitrisa. I should have the Cassia was no. We were having a can maybe a pono. I'm at the Lumba, you are bird, Juma, Serena, would I check was no. Opian will say, Teresa, the Wakuma son to my money, dear my yawa. And I'm a done will be a don't think for a manager, you Roman father. Ogasa. O Brennan was the same one. Who was selecting party a black star by me and can also see it.
Your mind the boy getting baby abefebia that the Lumba or die one sorry who wafa Ghana and your margin quan and pending for them cadena will be able man dimpa not just a Ghana phone na the ato yankasa Charles Kojo Fosu Namenfa will crane say ye Wama Ghana phone na ye din asim beni and your mapan your papa wabama Ghana for your casa ye bebo boss one yen and nature and ye then your ma a camp for many bini and quanoma says I will say sikasem and they are bewaha adakatia or puno hineme and sika yemfa or dom and pie boni and the pa and them to form a high life you see honoka hubi a woman say me start so where you map me the who
Ted people see archipelago and the dust Sunday but chirem wa had a me who die post the video no I share video no na chirem the Sunday bad tam because why done a bay and you know yati yeah no mom make sure that you know obokoye okoye ya ma akwa me be ma gbamo accepted now one kwaye ya e rejected so mo wenyu under ho atasa ejumdele ye no mo wenyu under ho na yentro back ma opanyina wenye baby ko Daddy Lumba na throwback Thursday no mo fan channel ma yentete no nyom e kola na da bie ne bi yete ya akere kakra yente na yembra